This is a grand view over there the day. Aye, because it's all a similar size, like, isn't it? Yeah, oh, aye, that's right, aye, well, it's much the same sort of size, like, so, like, mind that'll open it right up, won't it? Mind, it's amazing, isn't it, just how much that road sank just with this little bit few loads we've done there, like. You wouldn't think it would be bad in the drive, like, would you? No, that's right, there's a right, like, bump up here and halfway up there just when you come around the next corner, I noticed, like, and I'm sure it wasn't like that the other day when we were in.
I noticed that today,
I'll just give it a little bit of a gap where it's dusty there, just because it's hanging around in the trees there. Aye, well sheltered, like, enough for how windy it is on the top there. You'd think it would be like channeling through there, wouldn't you? I know we're looking the business, like, when we're the high-vis hard hat and that, like, just shows, doesn't it, you know, and that's a job, it's not running anymore. You never know, like, do you? Well, you better really, like, aren't you? And now can be said, like. That's right, aye, yeah. I cannot believe what a different day it is here compared to down there. You wouldn't think it was the same day at all. Aye, it's not the best. I cannot believe that. 1st of June and blooming 9 degrees. Aye, that's right. Aye, and even that still, like, isn't it? Not great, like. Aye, it's right, aye, just take a chill off. Hopefully I'll get a good one again around the corner here. Aye, that bit there that I'm just coming on, and now that I'm thinking that's sunk a bit, like, just since we've been running in, like, you see, absolutely bone dry.
we gotta go here for you, I think,
Aye, hopefully, yeah, it'll clear it a bit like, nah, it is now, yeah, now you're getting further down there. Aye. Was that 38?
38, aye. It's 15 here.
Canny difference there. I was saying that to Gary when he's come back from holiday. Was he in Spain or Greece?
No, where he was.
No, see, I bet you found a big difference coming back to this. No, that's right, aye, blink an eye and it's finished, like, aye. It's a fact, aye, it's a fact. I mean, look at December. I mean, not snow, but it just rained whole water for a month. Aye, that was, aye. Speedway on Saturday night? Aye, who were the riding there? Right, aye, I see, aye, and then, is every Saturday, is it?
Oh, it's not this Saturday. We're down the country this Saturday.
Right, got you, I see, aye. Do you ever go to the, like, away ones?
Just in your castle, usually, sometimes.
Aye, just handy, aye, yeah.
Oh, it's all the country I've got, like, get out of the wagon, but, travelling the boat, man.
Oh, no, you're right, aye, bloomin' sure, aye. Aye, what's the gates like this year then? Are getting off to a decent start, or?
Oh, yeah, but I don't got very well, so the half dropped a bit, like.
Nah, it's a shame, aye, I don't like to hear that, like. Dust up at this bit here. Aye, it is, isn't it? It's right at there. I know I wonder things wear out, don't know, if the dust gets into it, because dust and that grind, like in the grease, you're just making a grinding paste, like, isn't it?
Aye, especially that much dust they got.
Aye, it's amazing where it gets to, like.
TV side. Aye, there's some flipping stuff.
Roger. Ah, easy, man, you'd never pick it up. branches are creeping in again, mind, on it, with the growth on them.
Aye. I don't understand why they didn't just go and nick all them trees off, man, and they could.
Well, that's right, aye, they just, aye, that's right. And yet they have done some, but right inside, like.
Aye, and you didn't hit you, they didn't follow it, mind. I'm glad they've done it down here, mind, because when I come here, well, we let it go. God, I thought it was going to be a dagger job for going in, you know.
Oh, right, was it bad, like, serious?
From Raymond's there, that bit there, all them, you know, ash, man, it spouted right out.
Ah, yes, it seems to grow quick on the sides, like.
And ash and that, man. Oh, couldn't take them longer. You know, they smush out, like.
Aye, I can put some scratches in.
And the job's got enough with deliberately scratching them.
That's right, aye. I'm surprised there's no beehives on the sides of the road up here, you know, because you would think it'd be right prime location for the, like, you know, to collect the honey, like, you know, with the, because, well, it'd be too far up for Robbins, for, what's his name, Waspy, but you'd think somebody would have had hives up along here.
Well, Heather and that yellow stuff, ghost.
That's right, I should be good honey, like. I love the smell of ghost when it comes out, like, it just smells like Malibu. I must say, like, definitely. It was them trees, the bit hardwoods have got the things around to protect. I just, you know, they look a bit like beehives now. Never seen any up here, like. I suppose that's right, yeah, there'll not be a hell of a lot in the wood, really, will there, like. Wet tree and all that, but like not, yeah, that's right, the heather, the moor and stuff. Mind, you can't tell, like, you can totally tell the difference, like, between, like, good, like, heather honey or, like, that sort of thing, or blended stuff, like. Gotta talk about something else, I'm getting hungry, again. Yeah, topping up.
I tell you what, man, God, when I see a heap of bees, that makes me go God.
Oh, yeah, no, you wouldn't want them to turn on you, would they, would you?
Oh, when you see them all middle of the car, that makes me go God. Wasps and all. Wasps
especially, like, I gave the heebie-jeebies, like. And I mean, Henry, you know, and he'd come in, he'd been out, and like on the Woodburn, I left the door open, he'd come into the living room, and the living room was just alive with bees. And a swarm had come down the chimney, like, and into the Woodburn, and of course with the door open into the house, like, and tried to make a, well, not be a bake, it's a wasp bake, or whatever, a beehive, is it, or whatever, like, but like wild ones, you know. And you had to get the lad in to sort them, like, couldn't get in the house. Aye, it is, like, and it's no good, like, I mean, you even like to get rid of them, like, are out and no many about, but, like, you kind of got her there. Know what you can do, like. Nah, it is dangerous, especially with kids, like. Aye, I know, and like, you don't know until you're stung either, do you, like, so, I know, that's right. I do now, like, I didn't used to bother, but I do now, like. Yeah, I can hardly see with the dust will try and go on cannies not to cover them, like, but know what you can do, like.